Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Right here in the right upper corner we've got the option which is connected with the resolution. Currently we've got 1080p option. After tapping on it we can switch it to the 720p, 1080p again, but with 60 frames per second, not 30, or 2K option. It's up to you which option you prefer. Just tap on the option like to apply. So let me apply maybe 2K, and as you can see it will be immediately notified here, so the icon will change, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.